That's what I be doing. But they always be trying me. Digging all in my pants, unbuckling me and shit. Like, damn, bitch. So, damn, little bitch. So, get what? That shit ain't... That equation ain't right. All females want to do it for.
What up? Cause we will pull up. What it do, y'all? Yeah. But what up, though, y'all? I'm cool.
Gotta respect.
Yeah. One time
come on my own shit.
Yeah.
Shush!
I'm finna say. Anybody want a match?
Match one.
Smoke some.
Light up.
Lean over and get one gun.
We're going with friends so we can have some fun.
The night's still young, really
Just begun.
So it don't matter, what you wanna do, girl, it's whatever. She say this. So we grab the ass and talk shit. Knew she had an attitude, the way she
To that go. Hold on, wait.
Before I go in, you know I gotta get a little.
What happened to you doing the freaky things that right in my face? And I'm holding tight, squeeze it away.
Hey. I said that purple people. I'm everywhere with this.
Hey.
That pussy.
I'm saying, so now I ain't even gonna solicit to you motherfuckers out there. Y'all bitches get on my nerves.
Motherfucker get on my nerves.
I'm gonna pick who up, but for real, hey, y'all take heed to my words, right? Everything I spit, that shit come to life. So I'm telling y'all this shit right now. Y'all can't see me, but fuck all that. Oh, y'all can't see me.
Y'all can see.
I'm gonna say, fuck all that. Hear my words though, right? I'm gonna get one of the baddest bitches in Augusta, Georgia, and pipe her ass up. She gonna be the diamond princess. I'm gonna pipe her ass up. Watch what I tell you. I'm gonna put my marketing behind her ass. Pipe that ass up. She gonna be running you bitches.
What you mean? They see y'all look. Oh, you trying to see?
What you trying to see?
She trying to see.
Oh, this your live?
Oh. And words behind you. I'm cooking though. Excuse me. My
Damn. Just cameras everywhere in this bitch.
My shit sits sideways. Something wrong.
Damn. Boy, it bunking in there. You gotta come out there. Hoodie on y'all ass. Bumble clot, pussy clot. And now I want to hear the fuckery.
Why my dress look white?
Y'all want to romp with me?
Might be because I like. He petty. Y'all excuse the pettiness.
Y'all want to romp with a bad man?
I got some hair, y'all.
Pussy clot, hold them there, boy.
If you look, I'm just say this, and I'm getting in the camera. If you ain't trying to match no gifts, get off my shit.
Yeah.
That's what this live is for. Thank you. Now you talk to me.
Okay.
I tell you them know.
So yeah, I'm back in this bitch right, but I'm trying to figure out what the fuck. But let me come over here though. Yeah. I feel like y'all motherfuckers watching me.
And they watching.
You know. And look at that bad vein in my head though. Shit. The fuck going on? Why that shit doing that? I want to say what's up to all the haters out there. If you hating, I'm going to keep looking back and forth at the screen like that, alright? So if you hating, right, I just want to say I thank y'all for doing that shit because you keep me relevant and you keep my name in y'all motherfucking mouths. So, let me put y'all onto the lingo real quick. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got this new lingo. This is my language. It's called Vietnamese. Because shit is like my favorite curse word. Like, motherfuckers be like, hey, yo, I can hit you blunt. Shit. Hey, bro, you smash that? Shit. Hell yeah. bruh. Shawty wanna fuck or something. Shit, run it. Alright, so shit, that's SHIID. Need me's. And what you gotta do is you add a SH to every S word that you can. But if it already has the SH in it, like shampoo, you replace it with the Y from Shawty. So the SH is from Shawty, and the Y at the end of Shawty, you replace with the SH. Alright, it's confusing, right? So let me show you, like, you say shampoo, you say yampoo. You get what I'm saying? Because it already got the SH. But, say for instance, you want to go shopping. You say, I'm finna go yopping. You get what I'm saying? That's how you do that. But if it's a word like stank, you say, oh, Shawty stank. you put the S in the H. Stank. I'm finna go to the store. I'm finna pull up to the stop sign. Nigga, before we get started. You feel me? That's lingo. That's the goof for some of y'all. I'm dripping on you motherfuckers right now like Ivan Ooze, you feel me? If you ain't never seen Power Rangers, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. But I'm high as fuck right now too, so I'm just running my mouth and talking to y'all motherfuckers. I'm finna shut the fuck up because I'm getting tired of hearing myself goddamn talk. Alright? I'm out this bitch. You already know. The Jumpman Don, nigga. Ain't nobody fucking with me in that Jumpman shit. And you know it, nigga. I'll come out the motherfucking closet on y'all asses right now. I'm done, though. I'm out this bitch. You already know what it is. Shawty motherfucking fucking Prince. Who royalty shit, nigga. Yeah. I do this shit. Did you see that shit? That shit was clean, boy. Hey, your boy know how to talk some shit. Shawty. Hood Royal.
The royal penis is clean, your highness.
Got me sounding like a maid, dog. Hold up. Alright. Move a band. Hold up. Oh, my man. Move a band. I'm on my way. Hey. That puss got me sounding like a maid, dog. Hold up. One more time. I mean, take that. Take that.
Shot.
Hey, babe, look. Chico talking about.
Shot.
Right here.
Wait, it's on me.
Huh? Hit the cup. Huh? Hit the cup.
Oh.
Nigga, stop acting slow.
I'm saying I can't tell him. Look, this is y'all. I don't know if he calling you Shawty or calling me Shawty.
You, nigga. Shit.
Yes, how you doing, family? What's up, family? Hold on.
He fucking rap.
Step out and hit the...
Oh, hit the cup. I thought you talking about the Powerade.
That nigga to my son, oh, let me get a sip, ass
You
nigga.
talking about the Powerade.
Oh, let me get a whole sip, ass nigga. Hold on, let me get a sip, y'all.
He told me, oh, I thought you was talking about the power. Shit.
I thought you was talking about the damn Powerade. We used to hit your cup like my voice was raspy or some shit.
Nah, nigga, hit that cup.
You hit that shit. Get up there.
Yeah.
Hey, how you be in the booth? Let me see your artist mode.
So you gotta put your face in it, y'all. Like,
Hey, dog. These fucking rappers getting laid, dog. Just like Craig on his day, y'all. This is a full-time grind, nigga. One more time. I gotta come in clean.
hit the cup.
Hey, I think I want to smoke a whole jet. Or go more than 2 times. I'm trying to get up there. Trying to get up there, y'all. Yeah. Get in there.
Boy, they like, boy, they get lit in the studio. Man, I do this every day, man. We smoke like this every day.
We lit. I'm with it. Quick, we lit. Whoa. Damn, see, now I'm getting that
I'm
motherfucker.
gonna drop me a track after I finish this cup.
Oh, yeah, I gotta finish that. I gotta write a verse for that.
Step in the booth.
You feel me?
Put me in some.
laid off. Just like Craig on his day, y'all. It's a full-time grind, nigga.
Okay then.
Boy, so high, I swear.
Okay then.
That pussy got me laid off. Hold up. Rubber band getting knocked. I call it A, dog. These fucking rappers getting laid off. Just like Craig on his day, y'all. It's a full-time grind, nigga. Yeah, okay.
You like that?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, baby.
That pussy got me sounding like I'm made, dog. Hold up. Rubber band getting knocked. I call it A, dog. These fucking rappers getting laid off. Just like Craig on his day, y'all. It's a full-time grind, nigga. No days off till it pays off.
I wouldn't be out of my face.
So pretty.
Thank you.
Pretty motherfucking pretty ass.
Alright, that pussy got me sounding like I'm made, dog. Hold up. Rubber bands getting knocked. I call it A, dog. These fucking rappers getting laid, dog.
Seen that.
Just like Craig on his day, y'all.
Chico, they be whining.
No days off till it pays off. Okay.
It's all shot.
Hit the cut, son.
Yes, I need to get right for a second.
Getting too high.
Now you good over here. I need to get right. So.
That pussy got me sounding like I'm made, dog. Hold up.
Yeah, I am high, y'all. I'm not dumb high. I swear, Mr. High. No, hit the cup, nigga. Hit the cup.
No more.
Hit the cup. Hit the cup. You don't lie. You don't lie. We lit.
Fucking rappers getting laid off. Just like Craig on his day, y'all. It's a full-time grind.
Baby, oh, hit the motherfucking cup.
Oh, yeah, look what I got.
Craig on his day, y'all. It's a full-time grind, nigga. No days off till it pays off.
Oh, I need to get wait.
I'm too.
Baby, oh, that's going at the beginning. Oh, that's going at the beginning.
He need not record.
Oh, we'll keep it.
Got him.
Put that in the beginning, baby.
Oh,
I
yeah.
shouldn't even stay
I'm the fucking shit. I'm the fucking shit.
Baby,
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, that nigga lit, boy. That nigga lit.
Got him.
Got it.